let's talk investing. What am I talking about? Well, investing either time or money. Because these are the two things we never have enough of. We either have lots of time, but you're broke because you're laid off for whatever reason, or the other way around, you've got lots of money, but you're working so much you don't have any time. Well, this works the same way with investing, because you might not have, like a lot of people start investing, well, they have money that they can invest with, but they don't have the skills, so they're still going to have to learn over time how to invest better. Or you can be the other way, not have any money, but you got time, so you can learn the skills how to invest, and while you're building up the money to invest with. So it's a great equalizer. You got either no time or no money, or money or no time. You can do the same thing with investing. Now, when it comes to Tyrone Jackson and the methods he teaches, anything I talk about stocks, this is where I'm getting it from. Now, don't base what I'm doing on his information. It's also taking the information and applying the amount of effort that you put into it, which everybody's at their own little race, doing their own little pace, however that works for you. But right now we're talking about investing, so I'm sorry I get off track a little bit. Investing, and here's basically what I'm looking at for investing. You go 2 to 5 years from now, and you can double your money if you pick the right stocks, following his system. So that's what I'm looking at for investing. 2 to 5 years, you can double your money from dividends as well as just from growth if you pick the right stocks. And you know which ones to pick and what to look through and find markers and when to get rid of them, when to keep them, and he explains all that stuff. So anyway, that's the investing part, and that's not bad for me personally. That's great, but I don't have 40 years or 30, like I don't have a lot of time. I want to get this done a little quicker, so I'm going to take it to the next level, and that's what I did, learned how to trade. And I say learn, but of course, learning, always will be learning, no expert by any means at all, but just starting to get some results. And as someone who sits in his ass in a log truck all day, never thought I'd be saying these words, but here we are. Here we go. Covered calls is the first stock learned how, or the first trade learned how to do, and is the freaking awesome. It's been a year now. I'm almost ready. I'm soon going to be doing it again here by December. Can't wait to get back trading covered calls again and doing the volatility trading as well. Those are the first two, and really the only two. You could rock right along with them as long as you wanted, but I'm here for the full deal. So he also teaches leaps and spreads. So I'm just starting to learn a little bit about leaps. Anyway, I've started to learn about leaps and the spreads and be sharing that experience as well as we go. Yes, you definitely can invest or trade or do both. And if you're going to trade, here's 4 different types of calls, or 4 different types of trades you might want to look into. Thanks for following along as I carry on down the road here and learn all these different types of skills and share as much as I can to help others as well. And if you are following down the same type of road or anything you are learning right now, stick with it. There's always ups and downs, but stick with it. You'll get her. You do it wrong enough, long enough, you'll get her right.